I'm going to be teaching you how to make a iMovie trailer. Okay, so first you click the plus sign and you would click the new trailer to be able to create the new trailer once you get in the app. There are lots of different kinds. Once you get to this part, there are lots of different themes that you could choose, whichever kind you want. And say I wanted this one, it tells me there's 1 minute and 3 seconds. I can click play and it would play it for me and tell me how it would go. And then over here I could click, say I didn't want that one, okay? It says I would have 2 to 6 cast members and 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay, let's see if I would want this one. Okay, this one looks kind of cool. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to click the blue create button. And once I click the create button, it will take me to here.
Okay, so then when you push create, you'll come here. So you can change the movie name, and then we're going to change it to Here Comes Summer. Here Comes Summer. And you can see that it shows you over here. Then you can come to the cast, and you can change the cast member. So there's going to be an Abby, and you can change it to female or male, and it's a female. So then you can do the title style. So what that will be is it will say Abby, female, and then it will come over here. So you can like pick whatever one you want, so it looks cool, that fits Abby. Okay. So say that I want it to be the class clown, okay? And then cast member, come over here and you can change that too. So we're gonna have Connor, and he's a male too. But if you need to change it, you would just click female, okay? And then you can change that too, like the other. So he's an F too, cast member, and so there's another one, and that's going to be Maddie. And then she's a female too, and then you can choose it again. So she's going to be a cheerleader. Studio. So now you come down to studio. The studio name you can change, and so that's the beginning part right here. So then you can change that, and we're going to do Y-E-S. Film strip. And then you can choose the logo style. So this is Galaxy right here. And you can change it to dandelions, colored bars, whatever you want. Street lamp, whatever you want. We're going to change it to colored bars. And then directed by, edited by, written by. And you can change all those and everything. So we're going to say directed by Abby, edited by Connor. And you'll just click the boxes and change it. Written by Maddie. And you can just keep going on like that.
Okay, once you're on the outline, once you're finished with the outline, click the storyboard. And this will take you to where you're going to be importing all your pictures and things like that. First, you will create your title, okay? It will be what I guess called. Second, school's out for the summer. Woo, we're all happy. Okay, so say I wanted to do, I would go into the Safari, and I would click, I would normally go, so I would go to Bing.com. Once you're to Bing.com, you would want to click your images. Once you're in the images, you would click, so we would put no school. And then we would search. Once you do, you would want to click your image, press and hold, and save the image. Double click the home button, go back to your iMovie, storyboard, you would want to click the action picture spot. You would go in here. Okay, so there's no school. And once you would be here, it would go when you click play. Okay, you could say it's summer could be your next picture that you would save from the internet. You would want to have you are going to want to have enough pictures to fill up all the empty spaces where there's no pictures. Okay, now we have each of the different people that are in your video. So you would want to have a person, so that's Adam. Now we have Connor. That's Connor. Now we have Maggie. That's Maggie. That's Maggie. Then you could use the same picture if you would like for that.
Stop. And, like, you're going to go to the next picture, and like we just said, you can use the same picture or a different picture. So we're going to use the same picture. When you click on the picture, you can click on it again, and you can like zoom in or zoom out, whatever. And if you want to see what it will look like, you can push the play button down here, and then it'll show you. So that's what that would be like. And right here, the class clown or the athlete, that's like what we did right here. Like the class clown, the athlete, the cheerleader. That's like what you chose. So you can choose a picture for Maddie again. And there you go. Here it is. We're going to use a different picture. So I want to crop this. I want to change it. So that's going to be it. And if I want to change, and this is why I want to watch it. Because if I did that, and I don't want to see all those, you can go down here and position it. So you can see Maddie. So it's Maddie the whole time.
Okay, so next I want to, there's this clear button, and you can click the clear button after you tapped into it. When you click the clear button, you can type in, okay, pack, I want mine to say pack up your things, dot, 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 dot. So then you would want to find pictures of the internet. You would go back to the internet, just like you did for these pictures up here, and find more pictures to be able to fill in right here that would go along with packing up your things for the summer. Okay, so the pictures that you got from the internet, you're going to want to fill in with so you would click, and it would go in there. And if I want to adjust, I can play it. Okay, so next I want to go to the next image. Click, go in here. Click, click.
And when you're putting all those photos in, you can come down here, and it will be like the same thing. So we're going to be, say, and have the best summer ever. And then you can see it there. And you'll put in your pictures like usual. And when you're done with all those, like, I'll have to finish it. Keep putting in photos. And it's okay if you put in the same photo once or twice. And then we'll do that. Okay. And then when you're done with that, it'll just go. And down here, it says click on summer. So that's the title. That's what you put up here. So then you'll see that. And then if you push credits, that's what down here. And so then, when you're done with all those and everything's filled out, you can watch the movie. And you can push this play button right here. So then when you're done with that, you can just click it and this will pop up and you'll push done. So then once you like the whole thing, you can you'll push this button right up here with the star and the paper, you'll push that, and then it'll take you to here. And you'll look down here and there's plus, that's how you can make one. There's a play so you can play it. There's a, and you can push this. And so that, you can do all those, and this, you can't do that. So then here, you can share the movie to camera roll, YouTube, Facebook, any of those. But usually you want to do camera roll. So then you click that, and you'll choose an export size. So I usually click large. You can choose whatever you want. Then you'll wait a little bit for the movie to export. And when you're done with that, it should be in your iMovie channel, in your camera roll. Stop it!
And that is our amazing, awesome iMovie book trailer. And please take this and teach other people and learn and do a bunch of cool stuff with it.